Want to unhide contacts in Messenger? Follow this quick guide to make it happen with just a few simple steps. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. To start, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once inside the app, tap on the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. This will open a sliding menu with various options. At the top right corner of the menu, you'll see the settings icon. Tap on it. You'll now be on your Messenger profile page. Scroll down to the Preferences section and select Privacy and Safety. On the Privacy and Safety page, you'll find a section labeled Safety and Well-being. Look for Hidden Contacts and tap on it. Here you'll see a list of all the contacts you've hidden. To unhide someone, simply tap the Unhide button next to their name. You can repeat this process for any other hidden contacts. And that's all it takes to unhide contacts in Messenger. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Messenger tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.